Finally got my Xperia 1 Mark V case from Spigen. This is not a sponsored video, I paid for this with my own money. This is the simple, doesn't look amazing, but hope it's protecting well. Xperia 1 Mark V Rugged Armor, one piece from Spigen. I think this is the model number of the case. Oh, made in South Korea. Oh, interesting. Not in China. Made in South Korea. Details about Spigen. Case got a bit squashed in transport. Looks a bit, don't know why it got squashed. Hope the case itself is okay. Slim design for perfect grip. I hope so. Some details for each country, contact details for complaints, I guess. These are the dimensions of the case, it's important. If you wanna check, I don't know what's this, you can translate that. It's the earth-friendly package, resealable. So you can close this case and open it. I don't see any seal around it. Interesting, not even a paper seal. Okay. I don't think they opened it. Looks funny. Oh yeah. Nothing else in the box, but there is nothing else we need. The case is all we need here. The case is here. The phone is here also. My Xperia survived so far, almost. Only one dent here. I dropped it really bad in the parking. I mean, look at it. And some small spots where it lost see, one here, and then one here and one here. Thankfully nothing on the cameras. Cameras are okay. So I have this thing here a bit. Okay, let's see. Pretty basic case. Oh wow, it's really powerful in the corners. So it's a simple case. Here it's grippy. You get some grip here, and then this is a bit spongy. Yeah, here it feels good. It's really nice that you know where the power button is, because now actually I have a problem. I can barely tell where is the power button. I can tell where the power button. So yeah, what's this here? X15RA Rugged Armor 1. Made in South Korea. Interesting. This is interesting. This shiny part, it's really, this is raised and this is behind. So the thing that makes contact with the phone is this soft surface, and the most important here, it has a nice ridge here. We will see if it's good for the cameras to cover them. Looks really much better than I expected. I thought it's gonna be some junk, but wow, really powerful corners, biggest corners. It's even a bit, actually, so you see, it's a bit enlarged here, the corner, to offer extra protection. The edges come up in front of the LCD. So how I had my phone fall on the side here, this case would protect it. The Sony case is open here on this area, so that's interesting. Someone told me in the comments if I was gonna get the Sony case, how I dropped my phone and it got hit in this place, it would still be damaged because the Sony case doesn't protect this corner, this area at all. It's open. But here it will be protected. This is interesting. Rugged. Yeah, how they show it's really flexible, but it has a solid feel to it. So it's not like too flexible where it's like a sponge. Time to try it. Clean the back. I saw someone had some issues with spots in the case. I might have to remove the phone from the case once in a while to check that it's okay. Should be nice and clean before it goes in the case. Lint-free cloth. Okay. Okay, wow, perfect. I can't see my dent. Dent is gone. I can unlock the phone. It even has this gray effect on it. Does it protect the cameras? Yeah. It's higher than the cameras. Yeah, so the case just a little bit higher than the cameras, just a bit, but it's enough to protect them. Here also, here it's more, I think, or not, the same. Looks pretty futuristic. Oh, and the brand here doesn't say Sony, it should say Sony here. Yeah, this case is really much better than what I expected. I like these grippies. The best thing about the case, maybe any case for the Xperia, is that now it's much easier to know where the power button is, because before I had difficulties. Volume up, unlock, volume up, it works. Picture button, this feels a bit spongy here. It feels like you don't get that clickiness. Feels a bit spongy. Maybe it will loosen a bit. Yeah. These are okay. But only this one feels a bit spongy. But wow, what a nice case. Even has a cutout for the camera here. So the camera of the phone is not bothered by the case. That's interesting. Most important, it protects the back cameras. Yeah, you see this edge here? That's like 3-4 millimeters, really almost like half centimeter, 3 millimeters at least. And it's hard here, hard plastic, so it's really protecting the cameras. Maybe this has a, don't know, some carbon feeling. I'll turn off the lights and let's set the auto white balance. Yeah, it's really, this is the normal daylight. I mean, here you don't have this. On my Xiaomi phone I had this thing on the edge where it was coming out. This holds together really well, so yeah, I like it. Maybe just a bit here next to the power button, but it's because it's thinner there. Very futuristic. Yeah, time to install a screen protector on my phone. So screen protector and case, and I should be pretty good. Safety. There is also loop, holes for a loop to hold the phone from like a camera. It's nice, it holds the SIM card and memory card if you have a memory card. It's not able to just fall out because it's removable with just a finger, so it could fall out. Here the microphone hole is open. Microphone hole is open and the power connector hole is open, and there is enough space around it. Only thing I'm not so sure is this speaker. Seems like it's not covering it too much, but it is covering a bit. This one not so much. Here it's more open, but on this side it's really covering it. This is the, or maybe no, it's okay, they made it on purpose. It's raised a bit so the sound can come out. It's fine. Time to play something and see how it is. It feels a bit bigger in the hand, but yeah, much better. Still looks futuristic. Gets really dusty in here. So yeah, I'll try to apply the screen protector and see how that goes with all the dust going around. I can't unlock it now. Oh yeah, I can. Unlock. I start to feel it. I think it will loosen a bit. I feel it more now. It's okay. Swipe down. Also, it's important. There is a few millimeters of cover on the screen all around. So the whole screen is protected from the edges, all corners, all around. I love this case, it's really nice. Maybe just the color if it was a bit darker, but actually gray looks more only in the front here, so it was darker like to match the screen. Still it's good. It's fine. Giga storage and 12 giga of RAM. 100 cream. Why I chose cream? Because it was the cheapest. Cream was the cheapest, so yeah. The sound is the same. Product. Sound is the same, so it's all great. Protection. Finally. This looks like a robot case now. It looks really cyborg, like a cyborg. The corners are really bumpy. I mean, really great protection. Oh yeah, and the headphone jack hole and the other microphone hole. So everything is open here. Really made for Xperia. Nice case.